We live already. Okay, we got the security here, y'all. Y'all favorite security lady. Hey, girl. Hey man, what I need to do? How you doing? I'm finna get a band so they don't say shit to me. I don't wanna hear nothing. Hold on, y'all. Hey. Okay, alright. Bet. He said just go on in. Bet I don't need no band. I don't need no motherfucking band. He said Eason. Let me see, do I wanna pull in line? Hell no, I don't feel like getting in no line, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Ronnie just said come on in. He said I ain't gotta worry about no, yeah, he said I ain't worried about nothing. Y'all hear that cam in that big guy? Where's my selfie stick at? I got that selfie stick. Ooh. Get out of my YouTube. Hey, girl. Yeah, we live. What you want to tell them?
You got some weed?
No, we. I can't smoking with nobody. Let me go. Let me see who got some. Hey, y'all, Diamond looking for some weed, y'all. Baby, she looking for some. I know they know everybody. Know I know everybody. I know somebody who got it. I'ma look out for them. Yeah.
I need that gas, man.
She said she needs some gas, y'all. She ain't trying to do no bullshit. She want that gas. She ain't bullshit. Diamond looking for that gas. Hey, how you doing? Lucas. Hey, what's up with it? Not much, yes sir. Cold walks, he say 180. Oh, Zip, he on the way. Okay. Let me see, we're gonna start from the back. Look out. Let's start from the back, see what we working with. Huh? Yeah, we're gonna start from the back. Where my flag at? It's on the ground somewhere. We're gonna get it put back up. I probably need Pedro to put it in a better spot. Bring a hammer drill and everything, knock it in the ground somewhere. Jet full fuel and pink runs. Okay. Hey man, y'all let me hit, man. I got a photo.
We wanna be the thumbnail game, bro.
Okay. Y'all gonna let me hit?
Hey, what?
My Caprice, I got a photo.
Maybe?
Okay. Yeah. Photo. Northern Lights. Man, that name that got watered down. Nobody rock Northern Lights no more. Hey girl. Okay. Okay. What's going on? How y'all doing today?
Just chilling.
Okay. You done brought her back with you,
I
hey?
always bring her back with me.
Yeah, she be chilling, y'all. Did you see that video I made with you in it?
No.
Yeah, I got a video with you in it, girl. You
ain't gonna pay us?
Nah, I ain't
It
have.
ain't for free.
I ain't make nothing but $17 off the video. You want some of the 17? Half. I had to edit the video, come record the video. I got y'all some tacos.
Okay.
Okay, I got y'all some tacos. I got us some tacos.
You gotta show me that video though, because I didn't know what you're talking about.
Man, I got you. No, they got you on there. They talking about what's her Instagram. They want her Instagram. They was looking for her Instagram.
Oh, her Instagram?
Yeah,
her
cause she.
Instagram?
Show her
this
one more
Shayla.
time.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me zoom, cause they is. Hold on. Let me get it ready. Okay. Bam.
Shayla famous.
No, I'm not.
Hold on. Bam. Oh, there it go. Now they see it. They ready now. Yeah, y'all go in there.
For a sugar daddy, let me know.
Yeah, she looking for a sugar daddy. Yeah.
I went to 36 Mafia last night and I was on the stage with them.
Oh yeah. You was throwing it back.
Oh God, I was throwing it back.
Okay, she was throwing it back, y'all.
I was on the stage throwing it back.
She was on the stage. Look at, hey! They was on stage. Original Sanchez trying to figure out which one of y'all single.
We both single.
Both single. Both single, ready to mingle.
Love the hoes. Let
Yeah,
them know.
yeah. She cute, has them dimples. Oh yeah, they like them dimples. Yeah. They talking about I need to charge for being in the video.
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay. I'm finna start charging. Is there anybody good racing going on?
This is gonna be a good race.
Okay.
This
Alpha 6'2". And that green car, he working with some? Let me see. I see you got that intake. Okay.